Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to NocoDB for database-backed app creation, quick tutorial step-by-step clearly. To get started with NocoDB, open your web browser. Navigate to the NocoDB website by entering the URL, nocodb.com. Once the page loads, locate the Sign Up button on the home page. Click the Sign Up button to begin the registration process. You will be presented with options to sign up using your email or a third-party service. If using email, fill in your name, email address, and create a password. Review the terms and conditions, then check the box to agree. Click the Create Account button to proceed. You will receive a confirmation email in your inbox. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. Once confirmed, return to the NocoDB website and log in with your credentials. After logging in, you will be taken to your NocoDB dashboard. Here, you can start creating a new project by clicking on the New Project button. Select the type of database you wish to connect to, such as MySQL or PostgreSQL. Follow the prompts to input your database connection details. Once the connection is established, you can begin building your app. Utilize the intuitive interface to create tables, set up relationships, and design your app's layout. Explore the available templates to quickly jumpstart your project. You can also customize the features and functionalities to fit your needs. After completing your setup, save your project regularly. Congratulations, you are now ready to create your database-backed app with NocoDB. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.